declaration is helping Florida's LGBTQ community this morning. The Florida Commission on Human Relations is using a recent executive order from the White House as well as the Supreme Court. It's a ruling there from the Supreme Court, and they're using this to create equal rights for the LGBTQ community. Fox 4's Christina Evans is live this morning with more on how this order will help people here in Southwest Florida. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Amy. This landmark decision is actually going to affect a lot of lives here in Southwest Florida. And if you can believe it, the 1964 Civil Rights Act was actually passed over 50 years ago, and that guaranteed equal rights for marginalized communities. And now in 2021, it's getting a set of new eyes to look at it, so it can now protect even more groups. The Florida Commission on Human Relations is the state's civil rights agency. It's their job to prevent discrimination and make sure that all people have equal opportunities in employment, housing, and public accommodations. For years, the agency has fought against racism, sexism, and even ageism. But now, for the first time in Florida history, gender and sexuality identity discrimination is covered under the law, thanks to a recent ruling by the Supreme Court in an executive order signed by President Joe Biden. This is now bringing joy to Southwest Florida advocates who have fought for this right for so many years.
I don't want to overstate this at all, but this is huge for LGBTQ plus Floridians. It is something that many people have been struggling and fighting for, the past 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years. And we're finally able to be seen and recognized and said, you have a place in our state.
The new order just went into effect late last week, and Williams believes that this will help solve some of the housing discrimination seen in our area. He says that LGBTQ folks are often prevented from buying or renting homes in certain areas by bad homeowners associations, not wanting them living in their communities. So he now believes that the legal consequences may deter organizations from continuing this illegal practice. And Williams also compared this declaration to the law kind of coming out of the closet, meaning that it can now be used to equally help fight discrimination for all groups of people. Reporting live in Fort Myers Beach, Christina Evans, Fox 4.
We're in need of some rainfall here.